the coldest, driest, most unforgiving place on Earth. A land of eternal ice and endless nights. This is Antarctica, the mysterious southernmost continent. Antarctica is a place of extremes, touching every one of your senses, the bracing cold that chills you to the bone, ferocious winds that bellow in your ears, majestic glaciers and icebergs that dazzle your eyes with hues of cobalt blue, the fresh, crisp air that fills your lungs, and the profound silence that envelops you, interrupted only by the occasional cry of a squirrel or the crash of calving ice. This is a continent of superlatives, the highest, driest, windiest, and coldest, a white desert larger than Europe, yet with no permanent human inhabitants. Teeming with fascinating life, yet covered in ice miles deep, Antarctica truly is a land of wonders. Full of secrets yet to be unlocked, today we'll illuminate 10 of the most astonishing facts about this enigmatic frozen realm. At the end of the Earth, from record-breaking cold to iconic wildlife, geologic marvels and extreme weather. These fascinating insights will give you a glimpse into what makes Antarctica so extraordinary. So bundle up as we venture forth to the bottom of the world. Here are the top 10 most amazing facts about the one and only Antarctica. Fact 1. Coldest place on Earth. Antarctica holds the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. A frigid -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 89.2 C. The average interior temperature during winter is around -76 F60 C. BRR. No wonder it's loaded with ice and snow. Fact 2. High elevation ice sheet. The Antarctic ice sheet contains 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water. This ice sheet covers 98% of the continent at an average thickness of 1.6 miles to 5 kilometers. Antarctica's high elevation makes it the coldest and driest continent. Fact 3. Considered a polar desert. You might think Antarctica is just a giant block of ice, but it's considered a desert. Why? It only gets about 2 inches 50 millimeters of precipitation annually, making it the driest continent. The low temps prevent much evaporation, allowing the limited snowfall to build up over time into giant ice sheets. Fact 4. Home to unique wildlife. From penguins and seals to whales and seabirds, Antarctica is teeming with life well adapted to the frigid climate. The largest penguin species is the majestic emperor penguin, which breeds during the harsh Antarctic winter. Weddell seals use their specialized teeth to maintain breathing holes in the ice. Orca whales patrol the waters, surfacing through the ice to breathe. Antarctica is also home to over 30 species of seabirds that fly incredible distances to breed during the short summer season, from the giant petrels with 7-foot wingspans to the adorable Adelie penguins. Antarctica's animals are evolutionary masters of surviving the extreme cold. Fact 5. The Antarctic Treaty. Antarctica is governed by the Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 by 12 countries to ensure the continent is used for peaceful and scientific purposes. Today the treaty has over 50 signatories. Tourism and commercial activities are carefully regulated to protect Antarctica's pristine environment. Fact 6. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircling Antarctica is one of the world's 5 oceans. It has a powerful current that propels cold water and sea ice northward, influencing ocean currents and temperatures around the globe. The Southern Ocean also absorbs significant amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Fact 7. The Aurora Australis. Antarctica has some of the best vantage points on Earth for viewing the southern lights, or Aurora Australis, similar to the northern lights. They are caused by solar wind interacting with the atmosphere near the magnetic poles. These dazzling light displays are a breathtaking sight. Fact 8. Active volcanoes. Believe it or not, Antarctica has 2 major active volcanoes, Mount Erebus and Deception Island. Mt. Erebus has a permanent lava lake, rare for any volcano on Earth, unfortunately. No penguins have been spotted roasting marshmallows over the lava yet. Fact 9. Extremely dry air. Antarctica is the driest continent on Earth. The frigid temperatures result in very low humidity and precipitation. The moisture in the air sometimes measures similar to deserts, around 1% relative humidity. This extremely dry air causes goods and materials to deteriorate very slowly, helping preserve historic huts and artifacts from early Antarctic explorers. The dry air also results in Sydney, Australia having higher annual precipitation than the entire continent of Antarctica. Fact 10. First expedition to reach the South Pole. The famous explorer Roald Amundsen led the first expedition proven to reach the geographic South Pole on December 14, 1911. He beat the British team led by Robert Falcon Scott. In their race to the pole, Amundsen's strategy of using sled dogs was key to his victory. Well, there you have it, to 10 of the coolest, I should say coldest, facts about the amazing continent of Antarctica. Let me know in the comments below which fact you found most interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Geostery for more fascinating geography videos.